Hey folks, here's your quick tutorial on using EnlightenAI with Illuminate. Now, if you're looking for the Illuminate side of things, where you're trying to figure out a way to get your constructed response work out of Illuminate, check our channel. We have a separate video for you there. Once you get that spreadsheet from Illuminate, that's where we pick up. So from Illuminate, you should get something that looks kind of like this. A spreadsheet that has the following headers: local student ID, last name, first name, and then some number of student responses to a given assessment. If you're in Excel, it'll look a little different, but once you land here, it's a pretty simple step. You just need to get this file and download it as a CSV. So in Google Sheets, it's File, Download, and CSV. Now we'll have a version of this file that we're ready to use. Come over to EnlightenAI, and we'll click Import Submissions up here in the upper right. We'll select Spreadsheet or CSV, and we'll land on this page. This page talks about preparing your spreadsheet. You can fast forward right through it. The reason for this is because Illuminate already is an approved file format. When you click Next, you'll upload your file. And I have 147 responses into the system just like that. We click Next again, and we're going to be asked to select the columns that we are using to grade. Now, in this case, this was actually already graded by somebody, and so we are going to deselect that column, click Next, give our student response a title, something that we'll remember so we can find it later, or I can just call it student response. Next. This is the only one that we're grading. If we selected multiple student responses, we'd have to pick which one we want to start grading. And now we have 147 responses in the system ready to be graded. We can confirm, import or select our rubric, input some task details, and start grading relatively quickly. These are simple steps to get EnlightenAI working with Illuminate. We're looking forward to your feedback and hope that this brings you some time savings and some great feedback to your students.